In this tutorial, you will learn how to use comparative search with FileZilla and FileZilla Pro. While we use FTP, the instructions work also with all the other supported protocols. To learn how to configure connections with other protocols, watch the other tutorials you find in the video description. Launch FileZilla or FileZilla Pro. With comparative search, you can recursively search in both local and remote sides, and additionally compare the results. Open the search dialog box. Comparative is a new option in the search dialog. Enter both the local and the remote directories. You can set the search conditions. Each rule can be based on file name, file size, path, or date. You can run a case-insensitive or case-sensitive search by selecting this option. And if you want to search only files or only directories, select Search to start the search and comparison. If no criteria is entered, all files are returned. The comparison is based on file sizes, but you can change to compare based on file modification time. You can filter the list to show only files that exist either on the local or on the remote directories, but not on both. Scrolling one list makes the other list scroll too. In the local file list, you can upload, open, show, or delete a file, while in the right side you can download, view, or edit, delete, or copy the file URL. In this video, you learn how to use comparative search with FileZilla and FileZilla Pro. FileZilla Pro is fast and reliable. Plus, it supports a variety of other cloud protocols: Amazon S3, Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud Storage, Google Drive, Dropbox, Microsoft OneDrive, OneDrive for Business, Amazon EC2, Backblaze B2, WebDAV, and SharePoint. Are your website files ready to go? Time to get your copy of FileZilla Pro. Go to FileZillaPro.com and buy it with confidence. See you at the next video of the FileZilla Pro series.